Hi there, this is Schmidty's Kettle Corn, and I am actually doing a presentation here on what is pork rinds. So, I actually ordered these pork rinds from Rudolph Foods, and I ordered a box, and it came in the mail shortly about a few days ago, so I've been kind of testing them out. And here you'll see that the pork rinds are actually pretty dried out. So like they're already like kind of like they're kind of like in a chip like form. And here I have a little bucket for when they're done. And for myself, I've actually had some here in a deli container cup that I have here put on the side actually. And they're so far pretty good. In fact, I actually been boiling them here in my deep fryer here, and this is actually called a Grandpappy. And it doesn't take that long to get started. Once the oil heats up, it's pretty easy to go. And I've in fact actually been doing a little research on trying to find a local provider. And I will open up the thing here and show what the actual pigskin looks like. So this is actually what the pigskin looks like from the farm. They actually had very different prices, and then I went to the Korean market as well, and I got some cracklings at the Korean market, which is a little bit different. And in fact, once I finish this video, I'll upload a video of what the difference is between cracklings and pork rinds. In fact, I actually did not know the difference, and I thought they were the same. Cracklings actually have a little bit of fat on them, and these ones are actually just the skin dried out. And when you order pork rinds, I actually went to American Skins, and I haven't figured out their shipping costs yet, but I ordered about 10 pounds for about 57 bucks from Rudolph Foods. And if you have other sources for pork rinds, please email me or send me a message, because I'm, as of right now, looking for a local provider to where shipping is so expensive. So that's one of the things that I'm currently doing the research on. And then my next video, I'll show you like what a final product of my bags would look like as far as like my pork skins. And then I also might be doing wheat wheels. I see that those kind of things go along well with kettle corn. And here's my oil. It should be kind of heated up already. I like to do like kind of like one little test chip to see if it's ready. And we'll see what happens. And basically they pop up and they poof up really fast. And they poof up like chips. And in fact, when you actually eat it, it tastes like chips. But it's pigskin, so you actually see the thing pop up, and there it is. There's one actually already done now. And this is actually called the Grandpappy. The Grandpappy here is actually very nice. I bought it for 40 bucks at Walmart. In fact, I'll throw a few more in here. Boom, 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 boom. And of course, I gotta change out my oil. I haven't done that after a couple times, but this is for myself, so you can actually kind of reuse the oil. It should be okay a couple of times at least. And I'm gonna throw some in here, and then there you go. And they pop up like this. In fact, if I try to scoop one out here, this is what one looks like already completely popped. It's going to be too hot, so I'll turn it off, and that way I don't kill anybody. In fact, my first time using this, so this is what one finish looks like. And again, the size rinds are actually different. So this is actually a large pellet. They actually call it pellets. I do not know why they call it pellets, but there's actually small, medium, and large pellets. This is actually what one looks like large. And you can see just how large they are and how easy they puff up. And like I said, once the oil gets going, it doesn't take that long to get going. Boom. All right, and there you go. So this is what they look like already done. The pigskins. They actually look really clean. The oil's actually cooling off now. I don't see that there's any more in there, so I think we're okay on that. And pretty much what I would do is get another cup. I can even pour a little bit of salt and sugar, salt and pepper over it. Let's see what the salt is. Is there any garlic salt? Oh, the garlic salt's over here. And then I'll eventually be making wheat wheels. I've never actually had them before. I've only seen them at Hispanic markets, but they look fairly tasty. So here I'll pour a little bit of seasoning on it. And then another thing that goes really well with it is hot sauce. Is actually tastes very good. So I'll go get the hot sauce real quick. And everybody has their own different taste of hot sauce that they like. I prefer locally here. Texas Pizza is pretty good. I also like Tapatio. So you can just dump a little bit of hot sauce over it, and then just kind of let it cool off for a few minutes, and then you'll be good to go. In fact, eating it really warm is quite delicious. In fact, I can even put a little bit of pepper on it. And there you go, folks. This is how you make pork rinds. If you like my page or my YouTube channel, please follow me on Schmidty's Kettle Corn Schmidty's Kettle Corn on Facebook, and I'll have a website eventually. And you can also follow me on GoFundMe and Patreon. I'll add those links below. And I hope to do this for a living. I've actually been popping kettle corn since 2010. And this little machine, like I said, costs $40 at Walmart. You can also get it at Home Depot, and it's a great machine. Very easy to clean up. You can just dump the grease out in a can and throw it in the garbage, and then you're good to refill. I use actually soybean oil. You can use all different kinds of oil for this. I personally am used to using soy oil, so I don't know what other kinds of oil would also be good, but this is the finished product as far as what pork rinds are. And then my next video, I'll also do a different video of cracklings and show you what those are with the fat on it. Anyways, take care and have a good day, guys. This is Schmidty's Kettle Corn. Bye.